Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Newegg promo codes in 2025. So as you can see that currently I'm on newegg.com website, and over here you will see bunch of different coupon codes, like you can get 70% off on components and storage, 67% off on computer systems. So here you just have to simply select your favorite item that you want to basically purchase or in which you are interested. So let's say I want to buy this CPU, which will cost me $949, and I can save $250 on this deal if I grab it. So here you just have to simply add this product in your cart, and then it will redirect you in your cart. So over here you can manage your cart, and you can even add other items if you want to. Now you need to click on proceed to checkout, and at the time of checkout and before making your payment, you will see a coupon code option where you just have to enter the coupon code, or if you already have the deal, it will automatically applied at the time of checkout. So you just have to simply conclude your payment and you are done. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.